One of the best things about being an engineer is that we create real, tangible things. Going from the concept designs, the ideas, the calculations, the analysis, the design work with teams, watching through construction, and then being able to reach out and touch something you've helped create is absolutely sensational. Hi, my name's Marianne Foley. I'm a fire safety engineer and I work for Arup. My favourite subject, I don't think I had one, I had a few at school. I liked physics, I liked the practical nature of it and the experiments, the very hands-on kind of things. And actually, to be honest, I really liked English language. I like stories, I like storytelling, and I think that's useful in communication of technical concepts. The main purpose of my role is to work with design teams to create buildings and infrastructure that are both fire safe but also meet the needs of users and help create beautiful buildings and great infrastructure. I've been really lucky to work on some fantastic buildings both in Australia and around the world. So I worked on the Beijing Water Cube, which was the 2008 Olympic venue. Worked on the Opera House and continue to do work down at Sydney Opera House. Worked on a fantastic building, 50 Martin Place, which is a big atrium in an old heritage bank, and lots of hospitals and sports centres. I'm very lucky to do lots of different types of work as a fire safety engineer. I love what I do because we create real things. Our aim is to make the world a better place, to make our cities great, to make our buildings great, to make our infrastructure fantastic. And specifically as a fire engineer, to make those spaces and those buildings safe for people to be in as well.